There is no fear by Subramanya Bharati. Chinnaswamy Subramanya Bharati is also known as Bharatiya. He was a Tamil writer, poet, journalist, social reformer, and polyglot. Indian independence activist, popularly known as Mahakavi Bharati. He was born in Ettayapuram 11 December 1882. He died at 11 September 1921. His name are Mundasu Kaviஞர் Veerakavi. His notable works are Panjali Sabadam, Papa Pattu, Kannan Pattu, Kuil Pattu, etc. His spouse name was Chellammal. Now we are going to see the text. Bharati's Achamillai Achamillai song is translated in English in this poem. So I just read the poem in Tamil. அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே இச்சகத்துள்ளோரும் எதிர்த்து நின்ற போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே துச்சமாக எண்ணி நம்மை தூறு செய்த போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே பிச்சை வாங்கி உண்ணும் வாழ்க்கை பெற்றுவிட்ட போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே இச்சை கொண்டு பொருளெல்லாம் இழந்துவிட்ட போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே கச்சணிந்த கொங்கை மாதர் கண்கள் வீசும் போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே நஞ்சை வாயிலே கொணர்ந்து நண்பரூட்டும் பொழுதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே பச்சை யூனி அணிந்த வேற்படைகள் வந்த போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே உச்சி மீது வானிடிந்து வீழ்கின்ற போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே. This is the song in Tamil. So I just read the poem in English. The people of this world, if against they stand, there is no fear, there is no fear, nothing like fear. Although we are counted cheap and rebucked, there is no fear, there is no fear, nothing like fear. If to buck for food would be like a time, there is no fear, there is no fear, nothing like fear. In this stanza, Bharati shows that even if every human being in this world stands united against us, there is not even a speck of fear in us. Though we are degenerated and slandered, we have no fear. There is no fear, there is no fear, nothing like fear. Lovable positions if are lost, there is no fear, there is no fear, nothing like fear. Though we are reduced to live by begging for food, there is nothing to be afraid of. Though we have lost everything that we have yearned for, we have no such things as fear. If clothed blossom damsels cast their eyes, there is no fear, there is no fear, nothing like fear. Poison in the mouth if fed by friends, there is no fear, there is no fear, nothing like fear. Even when sensual and attractive women cast their eye over us to distract, there is even a speck of fear in us. Even if we are fed with poison by our own friends, there is no fear, there is no fear, there is no fear. Shield armies if to attack approach, there is no fear, there is no fear, nothing like fear. On the aim of my head, if the sky did crash and plummet down, there is no fear, there is no fear, nothing like fear. Even when confronted by an aggressor, uniformed armies, we have no such thing as fear. Even if the sky above crumbles and falls down on us, there is no fear and there is nothing to be afraid of. We describe some critical points in this poem. There is no fear by Subramanya Bharati. First one is Bharati was eager to fight slavery. Second one, we must tie up our fears. There is no fear is the third one. First one is Bharati was equally concerned with the freedom of spirit of all human beings and was eager to fight slavery in any form in and any part of the world. He thought that the highest civilization for a nation or for an individual was to forsake a life of restrictions. As far as India was concerned, it was in a perpetual state of unrest under foreign rules. While the people led a life of restrictions without any fundamental rights, their inner self, like Bharati's, must have yearned to be free. Second one is we must tie up our fears. Fear is more painful to cowardice than death to true courage. There is great beauty in going through life without anxiety or fear. Half our fears are baseless and the other half discreditable. He who fears is a painted devil. Fear of serious injury cannot alone justify suppressions of free speech to free men from the bondage of irrational fears. We should have no human fears. We are in a state of more banks and fears. We must tie up our fears. Third one is there is no fear. Bharati in his poem There is no fear says that there is nothing to be afraid of though the entire world stands united against us. There is not even a speck of fear in us though we are belittled and vilified. Even if we are degenerated and slandered, there is no fear. Though we are reduced to live by begging for food, there is no fear. Even if we lose all the objects that we have yearned for, there is not even a speck of fear in us. So finally, Bharati described is, even if we are fed with poison by our friends, there is no fear. Even if the flesh desiring armies come with the spears to fight us, there is no fear. Even if the sky above scrambles, falls down, there is even a speck of fears in us. So, Bharati shows their spirituality in this poem. Thank you. Thank you once again.